Do you want to crop a video on Facebook? You can crop uploaded video on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To crop a video on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Create Post option or go to the section where you want to upload your video, such as your profile or a page you manage. Now, tap Photo/Video and select the video you want to upload from your gallery. After selecting the video, tap the Edit button. Now the video will open on a new screen. Here, you'll see the Edit option again, tap on it. Now, in the editing screen, look for the crop icon and tap on it. You can zoom in, zoom out, or drag the frame to focus on the part you want to keep. Once you're satisfied with the cropped video, tap Done to save your changes. Tap the Next button, add your caption and hashtags, and then tap Next again. Lastly, tap the Share Now button to publish your cropped video. Cropping a video on Facebook helps you change the aspect ratio and make your video more focused and visually appealing.